Hello everyone, today we'll say means to draw DFA of string which starts with AB. Means a string starting with AB will draw the DFA. So first of all, the input alphabet is A and B, means there are two input. Now to find the language first. The language will be same. The language will be the string is starting with AB, so the minimum string will be AB because the string is starting with AB, so the minimum string will be AB. Then after seeing AB, we can see any number of A's, it will be accepted. After seeing any AB, then we can see B also, it will be accepted. Then after seeing AB, see the string is starting with AB, so at every string only A will come at the first. So after seeing AB, we can see any number AB, and so on. So it will be accepted. So this language is also infinite language. So we will give a deterministic, means we will draw a DFA, means a deterministic machine. So for drawing a deterministic machine, we'll take I've told you in previous videos, so we'll draw a DFA for the minimum string. So the minimum string is AB. So we'll draw a DFA for the minimum string. See, A, after seeing A in this state, and then after seeing B, we'll accept it. Means we are going to final state. Now see, for this state A, and for the state A, there are three states. See, for this state A, I have shown you the transition of A, but I have not shown the transition of B. So the condition is the string is starting with AB. Means after A, we have to see B only. So if in A state, if B comes, then we'll go to dash state. We'll go to dead state. If in the A state, if we see any number of B, we'll go to dash state, means killing state, means the state means dead state. See, after seeing in this state, after seeing if any number of B's, we'll go to dash state. Now see, this state is over because we have shown the transition of A and B. Now in the B state, see, we have shown the transition of only B. We have not shown the transition of A state. So in this state, if we see any number of A's, we'll again go to the dash state because see, the string is starting with AB. See, in AB nothing will come. The string is starting with AB. See, the string will starting with AB. In AB, the string has to start, after seeing AB only the string will be accepted. So in this state, if we see any number of if the A is not going to dash state, then what will look like this? The string will look like this, A, B, because any number of A's can come here. So see, the string is not starting with AB, the string is starting with A. If you focus on here, see, the string is starting with A, so it is not valid. So what we will do? See, if in this B state we see any number of A's, we'll kill it, means we'll send it to dash state. So this state is also over. Now we'll move to the C state. In C state, after seeing AB, if we see any number of A's or B, we'll accept it. So after seeing any AB, we see any number of A's, B's, we'll accept it. So here this is the final state and this is the initial state. See, in the dash state, if we see any number of A's and B's, we'll also kill it. So this is the DFA of a string which starts with AB. Now we move to the next example of a DFA which string ends with AB. Now the string should end with AB. Now here also input alphabet is given A and B, means there are two input. Now see, what is the language? The minimum language here also AB because the string is ending with AB. And see, here then AAB. See, in the previous video we have seen AB, the string is starting with AB, but now here we are seeing AB at the last, and at the front is any number of A's come, any number of B's come, we'll accept it. So at the last AB is coming, means the string is ending with AB. Now B, AB is also accepted because the string is ending with AB. Now AB, then AB is also accepted because the string is ending with AB. So and so on. So this is also in infinite language. So we'll draw a DFA, we'll give a deterministic machine for this string ends with AB. So we'll take the minimum string, that is AB. Now see, after seeing A, we'll go to this state, and after seeing B, we'll move to this state and we'll accept it. Now see here, if any number of B's come, what we'll do in the above example, if in the A state, if B came, we will go to dash state, but here we will not go to dash state because if any number of, for example, I'm naming it A, B and C, if any number of B's come in here, we'll accept it, means we'll take it because the string can start with B. And our condition is the string should end with AB. Now see, this state is over. In the second state, B state, we have shown the transition of B, we have not shown the transition of A. So any number of A's come, we will also accept it, because see, for example, if we see BAA, then if we see B, then it's also valid because the string is ending with AB. Now see, this state is also over. Now in this state, if we see any number of A's, will go to this state, because here every number of A's we are accepting it, means we are taking it. And if we see any number of B's, will go to the first state, because here we are taking any number of B's in this state. So this is the DFA of a string which ends with AB. And the next video we will solve more examples on DFA. Thanks for watching. Thank you.